such a plan. God greatest gift to man, one in a million.
Every night, every time I close my eyes, I'm dreaming of
Tell us something, girlfriend.
Right now they are both step up on the bus. The bus just gone up. That means say within the next 5 or 10 minutes it'll come back down. The bucket there, so you know say a town you go right now, you see it, cause I don't know say them say everything they are done already, so I really chew them say everything they are done. Don't know say we can't left the mask, you know, no matter how we go, always walk with the mask and you know say the virus still a go around, so you can't take no checking of people, no check. Alright guys, so the bus just forward. Yeah, we didn't bus there now. Man, big man. We didn't bus there now, so you know say next stop at downtown Kingston. You see it? Town Midge now, Town Bridge. Yo, people find a crab place in us, so crab will come for by right, you know.
8 bills 1,000.
Oh, we're done, man.
1,000 of them money?
Yeah. 98 bills.
Alright. So we can lock it down with them?
Eh? Yes, sir.
Can you lock it down with them, the bucket?
Yeah.
Yeah, best friend that you carry.
Lock it down.
Alright.
Lock it down.
People like transport, you know. Yeah, man. People will grab them there now, get some seasoning. So we can go get them crab up on the road. Yeah man, no laughing thing. No joke in the market, you know. Yo, at 7 o'clock on the market, lively apart. Yeah man. People you want to know say I just walk a little from bucket on a stall. But I mean I used to carry them thing in the market, but I just walk a little and turn back for the bucket a while ago star. Yeah. Well, perfect timing. Just call my name, you hear what? But just done buy everything. By the time I look at the bus that pull up same time, I say, yo, it can't miss me, so I just buy melon. People buy melon, because I'm hungry, you know, so I plan to feed the melon, you know. And then the bus forward, so I just go to boom. And forward in the bus same time. So right now we head back upstairs to make the crab in the right time of food I wait in the bucket. So you know, so when I go up, so start the fire. I don't know if I outside or inside I do it, you know, I don't know yet, but wherever we are do it, you know, it's still good nice.
I'm so excited. It will be our first step today, cooking crabs. I feel so for crab them now. But boy, at the same time, Jesus they eat fish, so that means they provide them as food for we. Crabs, I'm sorry, but it just tastes too good. What's the It's the girl, Abbi.
And your boy cap here.
And no money.
Grabber.
That's my answer.
And we are back with another.
Wait. And my son, 7.
Okay.
Go on, no 7. My use for clothes.
So guys, we're back with another video.
As you can see by the title,
What title again?
the word cherry. I got chef up some crab and so you know. Yes, I want to say I'm a normal chef up. I'll be a madness I go on in this. I'll pay a madness when I
They look sharp though.
I pay madness I go on in this guys. So yeah, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for new. And what else?
Make sure to follow up on the gram.
Below, yeah, I follow him.
You know. Please. Don't.
Yeah guys, I make sure to run go over to comedy channel Abbi and Kepo Comedy TV. Run go over to Abbi's Madness. On a good girl answer.
And forward from Capos TV.
On a nasty boy when them Capo. Answer.
Capos TV.
Yeah guys, so no further talking. We're going to flick in the video.
In the video. We are going to flip in the video.
Hey, I'm the sister. I'm going to cook the crab for them because they can't cook it.
So people, as you guys know, we have everything ready. I don't know the joke thing I'm going here, so. People don't know we have to have a pimento seed also. Yeah. We have to have a salt. We don't know how much salt we're going to use that, you know. But more than likely, I want pack of salt we're going to use that also. With scallion. Yes, we have to have a scallion. We don't say scallion and Caesar, so yeah, we have to have a good up season. And time, but we got enough time, but we have to throw the time in the pot today. Yeah, what else? We're gonna need garlic. What else? We're gonna need pepper, scotch bonnet pepper. Look like we have a little bit of pepper in a lot, Jesus. Keep a got on and never buy enough pepper. 2 2 cat no go. 2 cat no go. I'm gonna need some season. I don't remember what kind of season this is, but we're gonna need season. Anyways, guys, we're gonna go around the back now, go see where dirty cap I'm gonna leave it up to. So come on. Who you get this?
Wait.
Oh, me can't win.
You sure?
You have it there?
Yeah, do it for spice. Yeah, do it for spice.
Oh, me I do this spice.
Hey! Easiest way to do it, I just spray them.
Alright, guys, yeah, so this is the easiest way we'll say. Spray them.
That's the idea.
You got me. Them dirty, yeah, guys, so wash them, don't blind him. No, but it's actually better.
Back time, back.
It's actually a good man, so this is the easiest way to clean the crab. Okay, look how fast the dirt come off. Oh my God, look how they put on the crab.
Hey! Hey, come on!
No, I don't want it.
When you want to see Seven reaction?
You get kept on, try to find out how to light the fire.
What? What am I bad man from? Never light the fire. I'll try to find out how to light fire.
So guys, what I'm going to do, I'm going to help him because I really know what I'm doing.
I'm better about bad man country I come from.
Yeah, keep on fan it up. Fan it up! So guys, right now, the pot them on fire. Everything, because the dirty boy, them never they put on the pot while they are clean the crab them also. So I have to sit down and they are chill.
Right now are the best day ever.
Yeah.
I got to turn early in the morning and come back with crab because I don't know say what a long time I'll be a dream day, you know, people.
Yeah.
I'm gonna say no, I get the idea last night when somebody tell me say crab they are torn for $1,000 for a dozen crab.
What's that?
So that seal can't miss me.
Yeah.
But I see it every week.
Every week I will never know.
So you know what happened now? Time to grab them. So make sure to smash the like button if you're new to the channel.
Yeah.
You understand? Subscribe for sure. Subscribe.
Yeah.
What they have? They go.
Go down for the other day.
Spoiler alert. What they have do enough good video for no scene because I don't know if I'm gonna enjoy themselves. No can't just on YouTube and now watch a good video. So I have to make sure you get the good video them because over here so have the good things them.
Yeah guys.
Them.
I want to share with your friend them also, share with your friend them also because a good video, so a good video deserve views. Yeah, we can post good video when I get the views
yeah,
also.
Man, so
we
right
need the
thing,
views
man.
them. Yeah guys, so no good girl back at it again for the camera. So guys, I don't know, we never them alarm go off. So you want to see me a look a while ago. You want to see me a look for save the teeth there. I look them not look like them there, so me a look for save the teeth there. And so anyways, back to the cooking. So guys, I don't know why I'm there, I'm never deal with this, you know. But I'm deal with it. Lord Jesus. Nasty damn I. So me had a videographer. Me I feel left them two clone here. So guys, we have the scallion, the pepper at the thyme. And what else? The pimento seed. Take out the big one first, because it's rude.
People, the big one took out one of them here.
Don't you want to have a look one now?
Yeah.
I got to fight the big one.
Yeah.
I'm not flare up.
Oh.
Oh, I'm just going there first.
Oh.
So all them not flare up.
Fire one them.
I want them this out.
Yeah, but
people. Chef boy Damai. Chef girl Abbi also.
No, me do
Chef
all of
boy
this.
Capo.
Me do all of this.
Just enough nice, you know what I'm saying?
You right good no? She's good man.
Anyways guys, we're gonna check on the crab them now because them done. We just tasted food a while ago and it a go on with itself. So when come, it a go on with itself. Ew, look at the crabs. Oh my god. People, should I smell it? Should I smell it, guys? Nice answer. I'll come there and buy a crab on the road. How much money? And told that I go on 12 crab, you know, downtown early in the morning somewhere. Guys, let's take out the crab them now, answer. Alright, guys, so you know, good girl, answer. Done the crab them, keep up video the crab.
See there?
See there? I'm video
Outside.
that my plate answer too.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys. So these are the end result of the crab. Then it go on good answer, you know. That's why I do look at thing, you know.
Pick up yourself, you
Yeah.
You do look at thing answer.
Tell them what got next.
You know what, guys? We're gonna make our next video. So we're gonna end this right now. So make sure to subscribe, like, comment, answer.
And watch the next video, I go post mukbang style.
Keep on tell a story when they get beat up and so. I don't know what you type of story. So forward, make sure to subscribe, turn on the bell.
Bye.